I am at Home Depot in Park City. Coming down pretty good. And there's a lot of trucks at Home Depots everywhere, but especially here. See, there's a white Ram. There's a silver Ford back there. That guy's just getting into a Silverado. Here's a black Ram. A black Ford. There goes a Z71 taking off. A big Ram back there with the lights on and a GMC next to it. Right here's a Tundra. A Ram 2500. Another Z71. And ooh, check that out. GMC Denali. All surrounding my little baby Tonka truck, Ford Maverick. There's even a blue Silverado next to it. Pretty sweet. There goes the Denali. Here's the snow. Love seeing snow on my Maverick. Getting all frosty. I gotta do one more pass because some more trucks showed up. There's an old Chevy, a Jeep pickup, that silver Ford still there in the background. A GMC in white just turned his lights on. There's another Chevy. There's an old F-250 4x4. That thing is nice. A Ram. A GMC Sierra. Not quite the Denali version. That Z71 is still there. And here's a nice, beautiful beast. The much bigger cousin to this little Tonka truck here, Ford Maverick. What a size difference. Let's get them both. Love it. The Ram, the GMC Sierra, the big beast of a Ford, and a little Tonka truck, Ford Maverick. Here in Park City, Utah. Thanks for watching.